Welcome to the study of social science. This is the fourth video lecture of the fourth chapter of economics, globalization and the Indian economy for class 10th. And in this video, we will talk about the World Trade Organization, WTO. What is the WTO? What is the role of the WTO in international trade? In our last video lecture, we saw that the policy of liberalization in India was supported by many international organizations. These organizations are set up to improve international trade. And the World Trade Organization is one of them. It is an international organization which regulates the international trade. According to the WTO, all barriers to foreign trade and investment are harmful. There should be no barriers. Trade between countries should be free. The World Trade Organization, WTO, was formed in 1995 and India is a founding member of the WTO. Currently, 159 countries are the members of the WTO. The WTO has a crucial role in international trade. The main aim of WTO is to liberalize international trade so that all the members of the organization can trade with one another easily. The WTO provides a forum for trade negotiation and handling the trade disputes. The member countries can file complaints if they think that their rights are being violated. The WTO sets rules for international trade and sees that these rules are followed by countries. This means that all member countries should follow the rules and regulations set by the WTO. But the WTO has been criticized for being unfair towards developing countries. The WTO rules force developing countries to remove trade barriers, and developing countries have reduced the trade barriers as per WTO rules. But many developed countries have ignored the rules of WTO. For example, the US government provides a massive money to the farmers for agriculture. And that is the reason the agriculture production is very high in the USA. The USA farmers can sell farm products at low prices, and the surplus farm products are sold in other countries at low prices as well. Due to this, the farmers in developing countries suffer huge losses. In short, you're right, the World Trade Organization is an international organization which regulates the international trade. The World Trade Organization was formed in 1995 and India is a founding member of the WTO. Currently, 159 countries are the members of the WTO. The main aim of WTO is to liberalize international trade. It provides a forum for trade negotiation and handling the trade disputes. It sets rules for international trade and sees that these rules are followed by countries. The WTO has been criticized for being unfair towards the developing countries. WTO rules force developing countries to remove trade barriers. Developing countries have reduced the trade barriers as per WTO rules, but many developed countries have ignored the WTO rules. This is all about the WTO. In our next video lecture, we will talk about the impact of globalization. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.